Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. You have tuned in to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you this app that pays $300 instantly just by watching ads. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free Moolah. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It's really going to help out my channel. It's going to help out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, I have an Instagram page I want you to check out. So after this video, search for App Grind on Instagram and give me a follow and shoot me a DM if you have any questions about any of my videos that I post, or if you have any suggestions on what type of videos you would like to see in the future. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers, which is coming soon, guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this app. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay guys, I'm at the website, and the name of this website is Brave. So this is the best privacy online. So this is 3 times faster than Chrome, better protection from Google and Big Tech. And what this is, guys, is it's a browser, and all you have to do is just download this onto your computer and use this browser, and you're going to make money. Now let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more. So this is how the browser will look. And check this out, guys. Stop being followed online. So Brave blocks all creepy ads from every website by default. And it has an online privacy made simple. So all the good of the ad blocking, incognito windows, private search, even VPN, all in one single click, guys. Okay guys, also it has advanced security, and it has Brave rewards. So you're going to earn crypto tokens for your attention by opting in to privacy preserving first party ads. And they have crypto wallet, so a secure browser, native wallet to buy, store, send, and swap your crypto assets. And they have more than 38 million people using this browser, guys. Now let's just scroll down here and look at some of the questions. So, is it free? So, is Brave free? So yes, Brave is free. You'll always be able to use Brave without paying in either money or your personal information. Now here's another question you might want to know the answer to. How do I get paid for viewing ads if Brave block ads? Good question. So Brave blocks invasive ads by default. If you turn on Brave Rewards, you can earn tokens by viewing Brave ads. These ads aren't like the ones you see on the web. They're completely private. None of your personal info, browsing information, or anything else ever leaves your device. How does that sound, guys? And check this out. And when you see an ad, Brave picks for you, you earn 70% of what the advertiser paid, guaranteed. So you're going to earn 70%, guys, of what the advertiser paid. That's something else. That could be a lot of money, guys. It could be a lot of money. Speaking of a lot of money, how much can you earn by viewing Brave ads? Now, when you use Brave Rewards, you earn basic attention tokens, BAT, for each privacy respecting ad Brave shows you. A typical engaged person who uses Brave as their everyday browser can expect to earn about $5 of BAT a month. Now, I know that don't sound much, but guys, if you use this every day, every hour, you're going to make more than that. You're definitely going to make more than that a month. Okay, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this site. So all you have to do is go to brave.com, download the app to your computer, start using that browser, and start making this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this app. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, one more thing. I do shout outs. And the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate you. Please keep watching. Please keep sharing if you're sharing my videos and keep hitting that like button. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks again for your support. Keep supporting me. Road to 7,000 subscribers. Let's get there. Come on, let's go. Let's get it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos. I really would appreciate it. Please have a prosperous day.